let's talk about lucid dream. People called it dream that you can control, but how that works. When you fall asleep, your brain waves are sometimes still active. Those brain waves that are still active are what make you between the phases of sleep and wakefulness. This is what makes lucid dream happen. Let's take an example. After a long day, it's night day and it's time to go to bed. You sleep and dream as usual, but this time your dream becomes vivid and you can take control of it. Not just that, you can do anything you want, like driving a supercar, dating supermodel, or random stuff like riding a dinosaurs. When that happens, your brain waves are still active while your body is asleep. But how to lucid dream, especially for me, who know nothing about it? Don't worry, in this video I will teach you guys the easiest way or method to do lucid dream. This method is known by the name of MILD. Stands for Mnemonic Induction of Lucid Dreams. So far this method is the easiest way to lucid dreaming, especially for beginners. So make sure you watch this video till the end and I guarantee you guys will be able to get lucid dream. And also at the end of the video I will share important tips for you guys. Preparations. There is 3 things of preparations you need to do. Those 3 things are: first, set up your bedroom. All you need to do is turn off your bedroom lights and get rid of everything that can distract you. This will create a comfortable environment. Next thing is to go to bed and try to relax and clear your mind from everything that interferes. You can try to do meditation for 2 to 5 minutes. The last thing is having a dream journal. Although it is optional, but by writing a dream journal will help you to remember dreams and will increase your chances of getting a lucid dream. The techniques is really simple and easy to do. First you need to do is dream recall. Go to your bed, then close your eyes and try to remember your dream last night as much detail as possible. And if you can't remember it, try another dream that you can remember as long as it's vivid and you can clearly remember it in your mind. And then try to interact with the environment in your dream by involving all your senses, trying to touch or smell something in that environment. Next thing you need to do is pretending to become lucid. Try to convince your mind that you are experiencing a lucid dream. The more you believe it, then the greater the success rate of this technique. You can imagine what around you is not real and you are in control of it. And you can try to do unusual things, such as walking on water, having superpowers, or fight against dragons. And the last thing is to tell yourself that in a few minutes you will dreaming again. Then imagine that you are about entering the dream world and become aware of what's around you and you have control over that. And also you can do whatever you like, continue to imagine it until you fall asleep. Now I will share with you guys 4 important tips to increase the success rate of this mnemonic induction of lucid dreams method. First is you need to do reality checks as often as possible throughout the day. Try to ask yourself, am I dreaming? Or try to bite your own tongue. By continually checking your waking reality, you are priming yourself for greater self-awareness and dreams. I recommend performing at least 10 reality checks per day, preferably more. Next thing is setting an alarm 4 to 6 hours after you fall asleep. After you wake up, because the alarm is on, go back to sleep and do the technique again in this video to make you re-entering the dream. And it will increase the chances of getting lucid dream. Next is the secret mantra. The mantra is quite simple. All you need to do is repeating this word when you are lying in bed. The word is I will have a lucid dream tonight. And remember to keep it simple and put real feeling into the words as you chant them in your mind. Stay focused as well. If your mind starts to wander, just return your focus as soon as you notice back to the mantra. Repeat the mantra until you feel like you are about to fall asleep. Last tip is consistency. Never give up and keep trying for a few days or a few weeks until you get a lucid dream. Although this method is the easiest for beginners, but it does not guarantee success on the first, second, or third attempts, so keep trying. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss other interesting content from this channel. Love and peace.